Here CD is the bisector of exterior angle ACE. CD is the bisector of exterior angle ACE. This one, this is the bisector, then this angle and this angle are equal. Then we have ACE exterior angle is also sum of two angles ACD plus DCE, just because CD is the bisector. Then this angle and this angle are equal. Then we can put that ACD instead of DCE plus DCE. Then we have 2 DCE. ACE, the value of ACE is equal to multiply of 2 DCE. Again, it is given that for the triangle BDC, here DCE is an exterior angle. The value of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. By theorem we know that the value of exterior angle DCE is equal to sum of opposite two interior angle. Then we have angle, DCE is equal to angle CDB plus angle DBC. Again we have from this picture CD is the bisector of angle ACE. CD is the bisector of angle ACE. When this angle and this angle are equal, then we can write ACE is equal to ACD angle, this angle and this angle, sum of this angle. Then again we have a CD is the bisector. CD is the bisector of angle ACE. Then we can write angle ACD. We can write angle ACE equal to angle ACD plus angle DCE. We can write that it is given that from the triangle ABC, BD is the bisector. BD is the bisector of angle ABC. Of angle ABC, BD is the bisector. Then this angle and this angle are equal. ABD plus DBC equal to whole angle, because BD is the bisector of angle ABC, then we can write that angle AB ABD is equal to angle DBC that is this angle and this angle are equal, that is angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle DBC. By the theorem we know that the angle BCD, the triangle BCD, we know that the exterior angle of DCE, the exterior angle of this triangle is DCE, is the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite two angles, that is CDB plus DBC. That is that. Again, so we can show that angle DCE equal to angle CDB plus angle DBC. Multiply both sides by 2, we get that angle DCE equal to angle CDE plus 2 angle DBC, again 2DCE means 2DCE means DCE. CD is the bisector of angle ACE. Then 2DCE. CD is the bisector, so this angle and these angles are equal. This angle and these angles are equal. So 2DCE, that means whole ACE. Then we can write that here we can write that instead of 2 angle DCE, we can write that angle ACE equal to 2 angle CDB, that is B, CDB plus again DBC, again from the angle, again DBC, 2DBC, again BD is the bisector, again BD is the bisector of angle ABC. ACE, the exterior angle ACE, the value of ACE is equal to sum of opposite two interior angle for this triangle. ACE is the interior and exterior angle. So we can write instead of ACE sum of these two angles. Then we have here we have angle CAB plus ABC, angle ABC, angle ABC. Here ACE means sum of these two angles CAB plus ABC equal to 2 angle CDE plus angle ABC. Both sides we have ABC, then we can eliminating angle ABC from both sides we have angle CAB equal to 2 angle CDB. After rearranging the angles, we get BAC equal to 2 angle BDC. So we get in figure we can show that angle BAC this angle is equal to angle BDC, that angle. So that angle is double of this angle, that is angle BDC. Angle BDC is half of angle BAC, half of angle BAC. Then we can write that then we can write that or angle BDC equal to half of angle BAC. So this is the value of this angle is half of this angle. Hence the theorem proved.